Hi, Judy from Witchpeace Craft. Welcome to today's video. It's been quite a while since I posted a video. How can I put it? We've had some really distressing time for our family over the last week and a half. I had to go to the doctor and get sleeping pills because I wasn't sleeping. I can't say too much because now it's become a legal matter. So I lost all enthusiasm for anything. I'm just trying to cope with what's going on. I think we all got pretty ill over it in one way or another. But I'm trying hard to bounce back. I did have a joyful June. It was great. But July came with such a bolt out of the blue. Never mind. The reason I've done a video today is I've got some finished objects to show you, and I've got some yarn I've ordered. It's been arriving the last week and a half. I've just been throwing it on the dining room table. I'll put a photo of what mess my dining room table gets into or has been getting into during COVID-19. And some arrived there and my family said you should do a video and try and get back on track. So here goes. Remember I did a Bendigo Woolen Mills order and I only got part of it. There wasn't much missing. Cotton. The Bendigo cotton. Now this is probably a bit brighter than I thought, but never mind. This is, it's more orangey red, but it's called watermelon. And it is a 10-ply cotton, which is, it doesn't really look like a 10-ply, it still looks like a 3-ply, and it's a 200-gram ball, and I can't remember what I paid. I don't know if it'll even say on here. No, it doesn't. So yes, Bendigo Woolen Mills, this is their cotton, and they're located in Victoria. Victoria's really having a tough time at the moment. They've had to go back into lockdown. They've got a second wave of the virus, which is not great for them. But my Bendigo cotton, that was one parcel that arrived. And then I ordered from Crochet Australia, and that arrived today. I've cut the top certain. So before everything blew up, I was sitting around making project plans. Sorry guys, the noise. A while back I got a mystery box from Me Mothers and I wasn't really happy with it, and because it was full of one skein things, but there was one skein in it that I really liked, and it's called Superb 88 by Fiddlesticks. A lot of people said this was like Premier Lunar yarn. I don't know, I've never had that. This colour is Callisto. It's a 3-weight or 8-ply yarn, 200-gram ball. It's really soft, that's why I like it. This one is colour Phobos, another ready type colour. Now there's single skeins that I wanted because they're going to match up with something. This one's not quite what I thought it would look like, but never mind. This one is Mercury. Browns, yellows and orange. Probably a bit more brown, tanny brown, and not enough orange in this, but never mind. So what I did was, they're all Fiddlesticks. Superb 88. Then I bought Fiddlesticks Superb 8 anti-pilling 3-weight yarn. I bought it in this colour. It only has a colour number. It's UK 100%. No? 100% anti-pilling acrylic. Made in Turkey. And no, I can't see anywhere on it how much, other than it's a 250 meters in that one. I bought that one. This color is does it have a name? No, just color numbers. It's like a deep purple. I got 2 of those. So they are all for one project from Crochet Australia. Sorry, I dropped something. I also ordered some actual patterns that they had for, of course, Tea Cozies. So they've sent them in these sleeves. They weren't PDF downloads, they were actual written patterns, size 2, 4, 6 to 8 cup Tea Cozies. There's that one. That is called Cluster and Cream Tea Cosy. And it's like a bobble stitch. And yeah, you make it out of a couple of colours. It recommends 8-ply 4mm crochet hook to do those ones. That was one of the patterns that's come with it. And the other one is Bits and Pieces Tea Cosy in 3 sizes. See, and you make these out of scrap yarn, and I've never made these ones before. And from the looks of it, whoever does the patterns has a great range. They've sent you a promotional flyer on the back where I can order other ones if I want to. So that was my acquisitions, gifts to myself that I ordered quite a while back. They haven't taken too long. I have one other acquisition coming, and I've got notification it should be here next week. So that was that. Because I had lost motivation prior to that, I was losing my crochet anyway, and I was making tea cozies for the craft stall that we were having on the 12th of July, which is this weekend, but I am not doing the stall anymore. I just don't want to leave home, go too far. So I've been getting what I call getting scrappy. This was some scrap yarn. I think it's ice cream yarn that was left over from a baby blanket that I made in Blue Moon, Blue Waves or something. I can't remember. I don't have the ball band. I just did scallops, and then I did single crochet and gathered it so it can be opened at the top. That was one tea cozy. I made another Emily tea cozy, which is really popular when I do sell them. I think these will just go in my Etsy store for now. So basically, that's the back of it. There it is. This one's popular because you undo those buttons. I'll try. A bit shaky, sorry guys. Ta-da! See, it just folds out and you sit your tea cozy in it and then wrap it when you've made your pot of tea. So that's, there was a pattern for that, a paid for pattern, Emily Tea Cozy. These were paid for patterns. They weren't very expensive from Crochet Australia. Now, do you own up to your crafting mistakes, or do you pretend they're okay? What do you think to Nemo? He's a Nemo tea cozy and he should be cute, but see, I haven't finished him because I was disgusted in myself. It is a pattern. I think it's a free pattern. I can't remember. I'll just take him off and show you why. I think because my mind wasn't on the job, when I turned him inside out, I had to do a lot of fudging. I couldn't work out why to get the thing to go down. And I did all that and put everything together when I sewed him, put him on and looked at the pattern and realised that is where the handle goes and that's where the mouth goes. And I'd done him back to front and that's why it slopes there. And I've had to force a slope there. So yes, my Nemo tea cozy is not quite perfect and I'm owning up to my mistakes. I wasn't going to show you, but my son said, no, you have to own up to when you stuff up. So yes, he's Nemo. It gets like a button around the handle there to hold his tail back. I might have another go when I'm feeling in the mood. But that was Nemo. So I've been getting, they were all scrap yarns. This was scrap. The Emily Tea Cozy, the pink one, was scraps left over from, I don't know, it's Marvel 12-ply, a spotlight yarn. I don't really like it. It spits terribly. I am so glad that is all that's left. Both the Blue Moon and the Emily Tea Cozy, there was like, I was playing yarn chicken and just a little bit left after I stitched them together. This is my scrap lap gown for charity. This is the V-stitch lap gown that I got off Ophelia Talks and with the enclosed border because I really like it when you use scraps. I change all the scraps on the edges, so it has to complete a row, and then all the joins get buried in the border. But that is my scrap lap gown. It's pink, it's greens and purples and pink blues, and it's all 3-weight scrap. And I finished that. So yes, I was getting scrappy. With the Bendigo, Woolen Mills and Crochet Australia, and unfortunately Victoria having to go into lockdown, in the description below I will list a lot of Australian companies you can get yarn from. So if you live in Australia, support them. Yeah, I think Crochet Australia was from Queensland. I haven't bought from WA yet, but yeah, let's try and support them. I probably will buy more wool from Victoria. There's Great Ocean Road, Woolen Mills. So yeah, check out the description below. You never know, you might find something you like at one of these shops, and they have online shops. So that was that. So this is video 100. I never thought I would do 100 videos when I started out, and like most people, I'm not great at doing them, and I'm not great at putting my face on camera. But anyway, I always said I would do a giveaway when I reached 100 videos, because I never expected to get over 1,000 subscribers. So thank you to everyone that subscribed. I hope you keep following me, and I hope you enjoy my yarn adventures. So my 100 video giveaway, I've left it till the end, so I make sure you watch till the end. It's going to be a mystery giveaway. It is open worldwide. You must be over 18 years of age. You must be able to accept this product into your country. I'm not responsible for fees and import duties if it goes to another country. The reason it's mystery giveaway, I haven't decided whether I will send you something or send a gift card. So, but you have to answer the question. I will list all the rules in the description below. It opens today, worldwide. So, what question? Do you like wool, acrylic, or both? Leave your comment below to go in the draw for the 100 video giveaway, mystery giveaway. I will close it on July the 25th at 11:59 p.m. Australian Standard Time. So if you're in the Northern Hemisphere, that might be July the 24th. But anyway, that's when it will close, and I will do a draw on July the 26th on a Sunday at some time and announce the winner. And maybe between the winner and I, we will decide what I send. I have sent quite a few people lately some Vegemite and Tim Tams, not so much yarn. I've been sending other things in mystery happy mail. So guys, that's it for me. Hopefully July will get better. I'm not looking forward to it going legal and all that bit. It's not me. I'm not a confrontational person, but it was pretty distressing and pretty scary. I can't think of anything else. Don't forget Christmas in July fairies. Now, if you're a fairy hunter, you must check out my Christmas in July, because I'm a Christmas in July fairy. Check out that video, leave a comment to go into the draw. 15th of July, I will be doing the draw, and that is coming very quickly. I will pass on your name to Dana at Wanderlust Crochet, and I will give you a little prize as a giveaway in that draw. Now, if you're a fairy and you'd like to comment on that video, there'll be a little draw for you guys too. Just say hi, stopping by, or stopping by to say hi. I haven't really come up with a positive, most motivational thing for July for me yet, because this is the first time I've even thought about crochet, knitting, YouTube. I haven't watched videos, guys. I'm really sorry. I am trying to, as my son says, you fall off the bike, you get back on and keep riding and just keep going. Big dramas in my life seem to happen every 30 years. So after this one, I'll be 90, and hopefully I won't be around for the next one. Okay, well, take care of each other and make sure you have at least one crafty day. Bye for now. Thanks you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to leave a comment on this video about whether you like wool, acrylic or both. And don't forget to check out the Christmas in July video and leave a comment there. There are giveaways everywhere. Bye for now.